You know what? I'm counting that. You know, that was a PR right there for me. Yo, welcome back to John's Garage. It is a lower body day. We're going to get it in. We're going to have some fun. I'm going to focus on the deadlift, okay? That's my number one P right now. I'm just trying to perfect that. And over the last several workouts, I've gotten a lot better. So I'm going to see what I can do today. I'm going to try to hit that 500 again. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. I'll talk to you throughout the video and a summary at the end. Let's go. That was a good warm-up. Let's move up, you guys. Let's move up. About to try the big weight again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what's about to happen. You know what? I'm counting that. You know, that was a PR right there for me. That was 515, okay? I was able to get it. It wasn't that hard, but I lost my balance, okay? Calvin Preston, that was for you, boy. I want to see you in John's Garage. Let's level up, baby boy. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to try one more time, and then I'm going to go down and do, you know, maybe 4 plates and just work with that. I'm not going to go back down to nowhere in the 3s. I got to stay up in the high 4s, you know, the low 4s, just so I can continue to build my strength up. So let's get it. Let me try this again. That was a good deadlift session. I leveled up, you guys. I leveled up. So I'm happy about that. Let me take this 3-minute break and get back to you. You'll be surprised how much energy this stuff takes, okay? I thought I was going to be able to get another set, hit that 500 again, but my body was like, buddy, no way, buddy.
new. Let me take this 3 minutes, y'all, and I'll talk to you soon.
You guys, that was a great workout. It is baking. I bet you it's about at least 95 in this garage. So I got the fan, well, I had the fan going, I turned it off doing this recording, but I was warm, guys, and I contribute that warmth to that new PR of 5:15, so I'm definitely happy about that. I'm definitely happy that I have been putting in that good work, being cognizant of my technique, my form. You know, I always, for the last several workouts for lower body, I've been paying attention to my hand grip, my foot placement, making sure that I don't hit my shins, trying to get my back, my lower rear end down lower, so that when I come up, I'm not falling all over the place. So today, you did see a little bad technique pour over when I tried to do that, when I actually successfully picked up that 5:15, but on the way down, I just kind of lost my balance and I had to just drop it. But I do count that as a PR because I earned it, you know. I earned that, so I'm totally happy about that. I did pick up a new machine that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. It's for the shin, so stay tuned for that in the next video. So today is Tuesday, so I do Tuesdays and Thursday are my upper body days. I mean my lower body days. So you'll see that new machine being added to my arsenal. So today I did hip flexors, lower abs. I do have kind of like bigger upper abs, so I really don't focus on those. And my obliques are kind of big too, so I stopped doing all the little side crunches and all of that until everything balances out. So I'm happy for the results. I'm happy that I leveled up, guys. So I want to see you leveling up in John's Garage. Make sure you like this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you click that notification icon and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video as we level up together in John's Garage. Take it easy. Yes, I'm tired. Yes, I didn't want to take. Yes, I messed up. But yes, so what? All right, peace.
Y'all, this is my grooving music, man. This gets me in the zone to do what I have to do, you know? You gotta have your tunes rolling so that you can do good workouts.